Hi everyone, my name is Frank Westfall, and in this video I show how to replace the starter motor on a 1998 to 2002 Toyota Corolla or Geo Prizm. These makes and models of cars have a 1ZZ FE engine in them, and this starter replacement video should be applicable to any car with a 1ZZ FE engine in it. If you find this helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to support my work. Here we go. Alright, I made a previous video on how to tap start a starter with a failing solenoid. Locate your starter. In this case, I know where mine is. It's right there. Just take something heavy. In this case, I'm using a breaker bar and tap it. Now we're back in the car. Boom. And I picked up this good condition used one that I'm going to put in today. The reason I'm doing the oil change at the same time is because you have to pull the oil filter in order to get to the starter motor, get the bolts out, and then also get it actually removed and put the new one in. So it makes sense to do an oil change at the same time while replacing a starter on a 1ZZ FE Corolla engine, which is, I believe, 1998 to 2002 models. Now for this, I'm going to actually be under the car, so I'm going to make sure I have secondary supports there. I'm going to set that up now. Platform is pretty solid, and then leave the jack and that right there. Drop it down. The first thing is to remove the battery. Let's get that out of the way temporarily here. Wedge it up there. Negative's on there pretty good. So the first bolt, which should be a 14 millimeter, can't see it, but that's the starter solenoid, which is connected to the motor, and the two bolts that hold it on are up here. And if I reach under here right now, I can feel that 14 millimeter bolt. I just need to get a socket and get it on there. And I saw someone else use a 14 millimeter deep socket with an extension. I think that's what I'm going to try, because I think that's going to work really well. It's actually a pretty straight shot. Then I would put some self-tapping screws here. And one more 10 millimeter here. All right. I'm getting a really good view of the starter there. So I'm going to pull the oil filter, and then I got the starter, and then that is the other 14 millimeter bolt. So one goes in from this way, and then the other one goes in the other way. That's the signal for the solenoid, and that's the main. So that, and then this, and then take that bolt out, and then, yeah, just a matter of reconnecting it, doing the opposite. But right now the oil filter's coming out. It's a fragile one too, the signal wire. All right, got the signal wire out of the way. Now, it's a little tight. All right, I got this loose. There's the other 14 millimeter. There it goes. Got it. New one. It's gonna be situated like that. So I have that bolt threaded. It's already a little bit of the ways in. I think I'll actually tighten the top one first. I have it just snug on the bottom, and I'm going to try to just feel this in there. Well, that took a while, but tightening it down, I think I'm just going to go all the way with the tightening on this because I don't want to have to find that thing again. That was not easy. I'm tightening the bottom one down and then reconnect the wiring and then give it a test. So now it's just that battery connector and signal connector. Now the new oil filter. That's all sealed up again. Oil filter's on, starter's tightened down, wires are connected, the battery's in and tightened down. Take a look at the insides. No corrosion, they look good. So I'm just gonna go straight back on. Give it a tiny bit of steel wool here. And get some oil in it. I'm trying some of this out. I burned like a very small amount of oil. I replaced my valve cover gasket a while ago, and the car was leaking oil a tiny bit before, and now it doesn't leak, but it burns a little bit. And I mean, it's a very small amount. It's like maybe a quart every 5,000 miles. But I'm gonna try this. So 20% of system capacity. So I think I'm just gonna use half of it now and then half of it on the next oil change. Before I put a bunch more oil in here, I'm gonna try starting it. The moment of truth. Sweet, it works. That is it for that. Fresh oil change and a new starter. New used starter. Okay, so there it is. Thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful, and if it was, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons to support my work. Bye for now.